Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to do something a little different. I want to introduce you to the most important people in my life, my family. They're the ones who have shaped who I am, and I thought it would be fun for you all to get to know them. First up, let's talk about my mom. My mother is one of the kindest people you will ever meet. Seriously, her heart is huge. She is the type of person who remembers everyone's birthday and always knows exactly what to say to make you feel better. She's an amazing cook, and our house always smells like something delicious is baking. Her chocolate chip cookies are legendary. Whenever I have a problem, she's the first person I call. She's my rock, and her kindness is something I try to carry with me every single day. She taught me that being gentle and compassionate is a strength, not a weakness. Next, there's my dad. My father is incredibly hardworking. He's always been my biggest role model when it comes to dedication and perseverance. He taught me the value of putting in the effort and never giving up on my goals. But he's not all work and no play. He has a fantastic sense of humor and loves telling the most ridiculous jokes at the dinner table. They're usually so bad, they're good, you know. He's also the go-to person for fixing anything. Leaky faucet, broken chair, dad's on it. He showed me how to be responsible and that you can achieve anything if you're willing to work for it. Then there's my sister. My sister is so smart. She was always the one who got straight A's in school without even seeming to try. She loves to read, and our house is filled with her books. You can ask her about almost any topic, and she'll have some interesting fact to share. But she's not just book smart. She's also incredibly creative. She paints, she writes. She writes, and she's always starting a new, interesting project. We didn't always get along perfectly when we were kids, like most siblings, but now she's one of my best friends. I admire her intelligence and her passion for learning new things. And finally, last but not least, my brother. My brother is all about sports, especially football. From the time he could walk, he was kicking a ball around the yard. His energy is infectious. He's always on the move, either playing a game, going for a run, or just being loud and energetic around the house. He's super competitive, but also has a really good heart. He's fiercely loyal to his friends and family, and he'll always stand up for what he believes in. He taught me the importance of being part of a team and giving it your all, whether you win or lose. So, that's them. My kind mother, my hardworking father, my smart sister, and my athletic brother. We're all very different, but together, we make a pretty great team. They are my support system, my cheerleaders, and my best friends. I'm so grateful for each of them. Who are the most important people in your life? I'd love to hear about your family or your chosen family in the comments below. Let's share some love for the people who make our world a better place. Thanks so much for watching and for letting me share a piece of my heart with you today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content. Bye.